Hello friends, how are you today? Where are you talk about the biggest insurance company was a famous and before you start the video gallery request. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press the division bell so you never miss an interesting video like this. Fast Auto Insurance Company. Content Contact between you and the insurance company. Protest you against financial losses in the event of an accident or other in exchange for you paying the premium. The insurance company to pay your losses and other in your attendance. And the District of Columbia, the insurance agent is a health policy through local agent called Gisfield represent. It's wonderful directly to the consumer, a licensed insurance agent, and through their outside Westport is called the West by Nishant Road, Jaipur from 2005. Transmission due to pay dispute in 2015 in popular culture for having made numerous commercial invented to the entertainment viewer. Chico also offers property insurance as well as umbrella coverage with the region the policies are transferred to third party communities manage the policies as the insurance agent and has a separated customer care them. If you kind and good and well done auto insurance company, then this video is for you. So why is the full form and employees insurance companies? This is American auto insurance companies with headquarters in CVS change. My land is the second largest company in United States from wholly owners subsidiary of Pressure that covers for more than 24 million motors vehicles wanted by more than 50 million policy holders and of 2017 private passenger automobile insurance in all 15 United States. Auto insurance with their swell rate and online fast service provides evidence to low rate and fairly good customer service for the most comfortable and two other in term of insurance forgain and discount have his discusseful. This is one of the best insurance companies out there when it comes to providing and easy to use online tools. Also have a mobile apps has more better review kindly offered by passive form and farmers insurance. These app effort policies holder conformant of source for paying the words has been experienced the information mobile tools to college in Hindi. Customer care team that handles the property and umbrella policy was funded in 1936 by his wife Korean God willing to provide auto insurance directly to the federal government employees and their families. 19,025 in head at work for USA and supplies in on military personnel as Agnel to start this his owner company after raising age for a simple and good co-use military terminated high school garden found a discussion of the go with of their owner money in $75,000 for fourth tax based banquet sale and legal assistant future of the course divisions, because a good insurance companies that offers this customized steady actually and passive customer service and contribute to view experience. In particular, this auto insurance rate for drivers with no recent accident were customarily low in May, with that company for offering and comfortable to those insurance companies by providing the most wanted companies insurance company providing the most wanted online solution for his customers to handle their insurance policies. Uh, and realty well no good and company in USA there, it is a really old companies in USA that works with auto insurance companies, very good companies. I like companies good for insurance purpose and to be available to do anything online fairly low rate, and you have people looking for multiple line in insurance. Last year's debate is coach that has very few percent of fees compared to the largest insurance 115 locations across the US compared to the former network of more than 118 degree on LD thousands. Where are you talk about the biggest insurance company was a famous, and before you start the video gallery request company auto insurance यानी फर्स्ट ऑटो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कंटेंट between you and the insurance company protest you against financial losses in the event of a accident or other in exchange for you paying the premier in insurance company to pay your losses and other in your attendance. And the District of Columbia and insurance agent is health policy through local agent called field represent it's wonderful directly to the customer, a licensed insurance agent. And the District of Columbia, the insurance agent is health policy through local agent called field represent it's wonderful directly to the consumer, a licensed insurance agent, and through their outside report is called the West by Nissan through Jeff from 2005 transmission due to a dispute in 2015 in popular culture for having made numerous commercial invited to entertainment viewer.